may nagbenta ng laro si Mike Cortez noong time na yun. Oo, sabi. Pero hindi natin confirm yan. Kasi honestly, Mike, sorry, naging teammate ko si Bibinte nga nagbibenta ng laro yan, pare.
Somehow amazing. Today we have a very special guest, one of the smoothest players ever to play on college basketball and PBA. One of the best point guards, one of the clutchest players, and also one of the coolest guys I know. Nasa Singapore kami ngayon and he doesn't know na we have an ambush interview until now. So let's introduce the cool cat, Mike Cortez.
Grabe, sumakto yung kulog.
Di ba?
It's meant to be. It's meant to be. Walang ano yan, hindi yan edit. Walang...
And we have our special co-host, Kid Lightning himself.
Alright. So pag may questionnaires ka, please.
Marami, pare. May unahan ka.
First question. First question.
Ano to, lightning round?
Okay.
Or ano?
Mr. Mike Cortez.
Si Mike Cortez ang 2003 overall first pick ng Alaska at siya ay multiple champion ng UAAP. Siya ay nanggaling sa De La Salle University Green Archer at pinangalanan o may moniker na The Cool Cat dahil sa kanyang bagsik at relax sa paglalaro ng basketball. Siya ay naglaro sa Alaska, San Miguel Burben, Air 21, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, Meralco Boats, Blackwater, Global Port. At siya ay kasalukuyang assistant coach ng Blackwater Elite. Bossing. Nakakuha siya ng 3 kampyonato sa iba't ibang team sa PBA. The Cool Cat, amazing. Siya ang ama ng sumisibol na basketball player na si Jacob Cortez sa nasa kasalukuyang naglalaro sa De La Salle Green Archer at kaka-champion lang sa previous UAAP.
Unbelievable block from one Green Archer to another. Whoa! Excellent diving. Plus, he got the ball.
Is aware of the time, 3 to shoot. Mike Cortez.
You know, you've been a very controversial basketball player since college, huh? But that's the finale. Let's go first. How many PBA years ka naglaro?
So I got drafted, #1 overall pick, 2003, by the Alaska Aces.
Okay.
Then I retired to 2020, pandemic year. Nag-retire.
So that's 17 years.
Yeah, 17 years.
Wow. All right. So with that 17 years, sino yung pinaka favorite team mo? Kasi syempre you got traded sa mga several teams, right? So
Yeah.
sa mga teams na napunta mo, sino ang favorite team mo?
Commercial.
Oh, olala. Oh. Okay. Sino ang favorite team mo?
Pinaka-favorite. I liked all the teams I was on. There was always.
Pero may
fun
favorite
times.
tayo eh.
Huh?
May favorite lagi tayo eh.
I would think.
Alam ko na, sinabi niyo sa akin kanina.
Yeah, I would say Ginebra.
Wow.
Once a king.
Ginebra, no?
Everyone wants to play for Ginebra, diba? So
I thought it was gonna be Alaska.
before, pag kalaban mo ang Ginebra, gusto mo kalaban ng Ginebra, diba? Before, when you're when you're playing for a different team, gusto palaging kalaban ng
So,
Ginebra.
sino naman yung pinaka-ayaw mo na naging team mo?
Huh?
There's always something like that. Ako, meron ako. Sino yung pinaka-ayaw mo na naging team mo? Hindi out of respect, syempre, baka hindi ka nag-excel doon or mababa yung offer sa'yo or hindi ka ginamit. There's always a team like that.
Out of my career, I would say
Least favorite mo na team?
yung team namin with Coach Yeng. Kasi sandali lang ako dun eh.
Anong team yun?
I think we were hindi yung Burger King eh. Parang yung Burger King
Oh,
naging
yeah, Burger
naging FedEx ata eh.
Naglaro ka sa Burger King, man?
I think it was Burger King before. Tapos naging parang FedEx sa
Air
ata eh.
21.
Parang ganoon. So yung gusto ng what I was told gusto mayari is puro UAP players. So doon kami ni Doug Kramer,
Yeah, I remember.
Wesley Gonzalez, sino pa ba?
Year 21, ano?
I think so. Pero sandali lang, siguro I played mga 3 games lang. Then I was traded again.
Yun ang favorite coach mo? Of all the teams na napunta mo?
Wow, that's hard, huh? Favorite.
Again, we always have a favorite coach kasi doon ka nag-excel. That's gonna be like that all the time eh. Kung sino yung favorite coach mo eh.
The funnest for me is Coach Aris. Di mo na. Naging coach ko siya sa
What?
dulo.
This is Blackwater?
Yeah. So dulo lang career ko, naging coach ko siya.
Siya
Pero-
naging favorite mo?
Hindi. One of my favorites lang. Kasi, pero yung pinaka-favorite ko, syempre si Coach Tim. Kasi siya nag-draft sa akin.
Tim Cone.
Oo. Tapos yung
One of the greatest coach ever.
the greatest na yun, di ba? Kasi siya pinakamaraming championship sa PBA.
Yeah.
Right?
Pero kasi yung concern kay Coach Tim, ang nakikita ko, comment lang to, hindi na naman galing sa akin ha. Sabi sa comment, if ilagay mo daw si Coach Tim sa Blackwater or sa mga mahihinang team, hindi niya din daw mapapa-champion. So, privilege daw si Coach Tim, napapa-champion niya yung Ginebra.
Magpapag-champion sa Blackwater. Kahit sino naman coach dun.
Kaya nga,
But I guarantee you, they would win more games.
pag si Coach Tim, right?
Oh,
Pero hindi magja-champion.
they would win more games. He would change the culture.
How about,
Definitely.
so of course, you have your favorite coach. Meron din naman ikaw na least favorite. Dahil hindi ka nag-excel sa kanya as a coach? Or you don't want his attitude? I don't know what's your reason, pero meron tayong coach
May ganun.
na may ganun tayo.
Nawala ka ng kumpiyansa mo, Mike.
Oh, like for example sa akin, favorite ko, Coach Ryan Gregorio. Dahil naging Rookie of the Year ako doon.
Okay.
Right? How about you? Sino naging favorite coach?
Favorite coach ko, Ryan Gregorio rin. Dati
Alright.
nagkasamaan lang kami ng loob, tol. Alam niya yun. Pero, paborito ko siya dahil motivator. Motivator siya.
How about you, Mr. Cortez?
Yan si Mike Cortez.
Oh, that's hard, man. Mahirap.
Motivator rin.
It's not your discriminating him or something. You just telling the facts na itong coach na to, hindi ako nag-excel kaya siya yung least favorite ko. That's basic.
Okay, so I would say si Bong Ramos.
Ooh, Red Bull, Barako Bull.
Hindi, sa Blackwater.
Okay.
Blackwater. Before si Coach Aris, naging Bong Ramos. So, di ko talaga ginagamit.
That's the only reason. But you don't hate his guts or whatever.
Di naman. Okay naman yung mga...
Wala kang grudge, you can say.
Oh, wala akong grudge.
Wala akong
Di lang
grudge.
ako ginagamit. Kaya...
Okay. I
Pero-
love Coach Bong Ramos kasi as a player, iba-iba nga tayong perspective as a player.
Right. Siguro, yung mga players na babad sa kanya, syempre gusto nila sa kanya.
Okay. Ito curious yung mga tao kasi ako mismo curious ako. Why is it yung jersey number mo 11?
Okay, so in Lasal, pagdating ko doon in 1999, nandun pa si Dino Aldeguer.
Okay.
Siya yung number 11 in
Okay.
time noon. 'Di ba? So for me, wala pa akong idea about Philippine basketball, 'di ba? Mga tradition, mga ganun, 'di ba? LaSalle tradition. Before siya umalis siya after his senior year, sabi niya, he asked me kung pwede ako mag-suit ng number 11 para ma-continue yung tradition ng mga point guards ng number 11.
Bakit nga 11? What's the reason?
I don't know eh.
You just like
Kasi
11?
siya yung number 11 eh. Lang number 11 ako dahil number 11 siya. So he asked me to wear number 11.
That's it?
Hindi, okay.
That's the only reason. Tapos ng PBA, 11 na rin.
Oo, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Naging sikat na yung 11 eh.
Pero
Dahil
high
lang-
school,
High school, 21 ako.
Dahil lang in-offer ng senior player mo
Oo.
sa college na mag-11 ka,
Oo.
that's it.
That's it.
So it's because Dino Aldeguer, siya nag-command sa'yo?
Siya na, he didn't command me. He asked me kung pwede lang matuloy yung tradition ng mga,
Politely?
Oo naman.
Alright. Oh, Jay, your turn now.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Nice.
Pinakbit. It's my favorite.
What's your least favorite?
Liver. Anything with liver.
Same. Same tayo.
Bopis kagabi.
Patay. Dami pa, no? Kinain mo?
Ano?
Sus.
Who was your favorite teammate?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's hard.
You only pick one.
Only can pick one?
Only one.
Siyempre, the engineer. Willie Wilson.
Willie boy.
Kasi college pa lang, ano kami, parang B1, B2 kami.
Willie B, man.
Wherever I go, he goes. Wherever he goes, I go.
Okay. Your least favorite teammate. You can pick 3.
Hey, Mike, meron tayo niyan. Huwag mo kami paikot-ikutin.
Damn, that's hard. Least favorite?
Dahil baka siguro, tamad siya as a teammate or...
Number 1, Mick Manisi. Bago maglulo yun eh.
Nobody hates Mick, man.
Like we have a car, like I park my car, then I'm just, wasting time in my car. Tapos gagawin niya, sobrang dikit yung kotse para hindi ako makalabas.
Sino?
Mick Manisi.
Si Mick, lo.
Ang
Diba?
pinaka-hate niyang teammate si Melisi.
San Miguel. Ha?
San Miguel, tapos global kami. Oh. Ha? Makulit lang. Diba? Daming games. Diba? Mapabales ka kung airball ka. Pag talo mo sa kanya, pababless ka.
Oh,
Who did you have a hard time guarding when you were in the PBA? Or let's start with who did you what player when you were gonna play him the very next game, or you're like, oh, easy, 30 points. You were like, oh, you look forward to playing this guy.
Actually, I never really looked at it like that. Like, I just looked at it as just being aggressive. But I never looked at it as, oh, this guy is not a good defender, because everyone's gonna have a game plan for you, right? Every team's gonna have a game plan for you, whether you run a pick and roll or whether you're gonna send you this way, that way. So I just kind of was always thought to my mind to just be aggressive.
Who did you? All right, let me reword it. Who did you always have a good game when you played against this guy? Who was your career high on?
Actually, I got my career high when I was like 34 already.
Against
I
who?
dropped 32 against
depending you.
Kia, LA Revilla, and Kia and Carl DeHessa, Mike DeGregorio.
What team was that? That was
I was on Blackwater. They were Kia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. On the other side, who?
Oh, di ba? Kami din eh.
Who did you have a hard time against? Like when you the night before, like you would lose sleep. Ah, dang, I gotta guard this guy.
Wasn't never like that.
That's probably me, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sino yung pinaka-herapan ka?
Ito,
Sino ba
Mark,
defender yun?
defender.
Yeah, good defender. Sino yung good defender na guard?
Damn, he just
Sinong good
just said I.
defender, guard?
He just said I suck playing defense. I play defense, man.
No.
What the heck?
Offense, man.
Sama naman ito.
Hawakan mo muna. Mag-hawak ka ulit.
Actually, kasi Ryan Reyes, parang hindi siya nagtatapat sa akin. Lagi nagtatapat kay Willie Miller. Si Jimmy sa akin.
Yeah, Jimmy will give you buckets. But Jimmy's not known for being a stopper.
Championship kami, down 3-1 kami. Pure Foods, 2006, Alaska. 3-1 na kami ha.
Oh,
Ay, gumagawa si Mike.
Yeah.
Pare, ang galing ni Ryan Gregorio. Nilagay sa kanya si Mark Pingris.
yeah.
Nahirapan ka ba doon sa matchup na yun?
I remember that kasi
Di ba?
that's the year my youngest son was born, 2006. So I think we're up 3-1. So game 5.
Oops, ice
Game
block
5.
Americano.
Thank you.
Para sa guest natin, ito lang po yung bayad sa kanya. Coffee. Kita mo, ibayad sa'yo, ha? Kala mo.
So game 5, game 5. Galing ako sa hospital, right? So luckily, my wife gave birth noon. So sabi ko, abot ko pa sa game. So I got to the game, medyo wala pang tulog, right? So sila Kirby before the game. Kid, congrats sa anak mo. Ganun. Pagdating sa game, first play, hard foul ako ni Kirby. Pag-drive ko, hard foul. Oh, hard foul.
Grabe si Kid
So,
Parang
sino
sending
nga,
a message lang, di ba?
Sending a
Sending a
message,
message.
so, sino nga ang pinaka-best defender para
Wait lang,
sa'yo?
di pa tapos yung kwento ko eh.
Yung kwento niya,
Ang haba kasi ng explanation. Okay, go.
Ano ba question nun? Or I forgot na.
Who is the most aggressive? Sino pinaka nahihirapan ka pag siya ang nagdi-defend sa'yo?
No.
Wala?
Denok.
Really?
Roger Yap.
Oh,
Roger Yap.
Roger Yap.
Ginugunon sa akin si Roger Yap eh.
Ito ang isang makulit din to eh.
Walang
Ito,
artadi.
makulit din eh. Gaganon sa akin mga yan.
Tsaka si Topex.
Tsaka
Si
si
ano?
ano, sa Air 21, si... Hindi. Hindi, yung isa, backup nila. Yung makulit, Egay.
Guy.
Ay, hindi, alam ko kayo yung pinakatakot si Mike. PBL, Topex Robinson.
Si Topex.
Really?
Hindi makababa.
Parts, ano eh, teammates sila. Topes siya kasi Banyes.
Hindi niya kaya.
Topex Robinson? Magaling na defender yung Topex Robinson.
Magaling, makulit.
Takot siya kay Topex. Di ba si Mike very cool magbaba ng bola?
Ano yung sinasabi niya nung player daw siya? May kwento kasi kay Coach Topex eh.
Ano?
Mahilig daw si Coach Topex magtanong sa coach para kunyari lagi siyang naka-focus. Kahit daw hindi na necessary, tatanong pa rin daw niya. Sabi, Coach, what if ganito ganyan? Totoo yun? O naging teammate mo ba si Coach Topex?
Hindi.
Yun
Never.
nga yung narinig ko ng mga kwento ng mga teammate niya.
Never.
Yung mga necessary na itatanong, gusto niyo pa rin itanong. Kahit alam niyo na yung sagot, itatanong niyo pa rin. Meron daw ganun eh. Okay, so, Mr. Tati, may question ka?
Mike Cortez?
Okay.
Oo.
Ito, Joseph yung malupit magtanong. Bigyan mo yung mic.
Tanong mo. Tanong ka lang na mga
Mike, anong tanong mo?
kay teammate mo.
Kahapon, ang dami natin
Lasal days ba? No?
Tanong nyo na yung gusto nyo tanongin na question.
Hindi, tanong ko ito, may tanong ko pare ha. Mike, nung final, syempre natalo kayo, 'di ba, pare? Pan-champion 'yun, Joseph, 'di ba? Pare, totoo, medyo sumamaba loob mo kay Mike dahil siya ang sinisisi nun, pare. Mas sumamaba loob mo.
Parang gusto ko sabihin pero hindi ko masabi. Hindi. To be honest, wala kami kamalay-malay ni Mac no. Kasi it was our second year lang eh. So parang di namin alam. Nalaman ko na lang yun. Siguro after like a month. Na puta may issue pala na ganun. Parang matataka kami ba't si Mike wala sa practice, wala sa PBL lineup. Tapos doon na lumabas. Parang after like a week, dami na lumalabas sa Jaryo.
Pati sa amin, umabot siya.
Oo, walang alam. Nung during the game, wala kami idea pare na...
Anong umabot sa inyo? Anong narinig niyo sa inyo?
Hindi, direktahan. Talagang may nagbenta ng laro si Mike Cortez noong time na yun. Oo, sabi. Pero hindi natin confirm yan.
Ito na yung...
Kasi honestly, Mike, sorry, naging teammate ko si nagbibenta ng laro yan, pare. Pero, alam mo, kakampi ko siya. Practice lang kami, ha. Nagdi-dribble siya, tumatama yung bola sa paa niya. Natural lang, ganun eh. Di ba, minsan sinasadya yung ganun, di ba? Pero nakikita ko, pare, practice lang, ganun nangyayari, oh.
To be honest, ako na to ha. Ako na yung itsura kong to. Napagbintangan pa.
Eh, lahat ng players. Jay, ikaw, napagbintangan ka na ba?
Ikaw, napagbintangan ka na? Okay,
All out talaga, eh.
Seth, napagbintangan ka na? Okay, Mike Cortez, pwede mo nang dahil
Hindi, ano yung na-feel mo bro nung ganun naging parang rumor? Nasaktan ka ba or anong na-disappoint ka or you got angry? Anong naging emotion mo?
Probably all of the above at one point, right? Like, you spend so much time with the team and the coaches and the management, and then to hear things like that, right? Like, you don't know where it's coming from. I didn't know where it was coming from. So what I did was just kind of shut my phone off, and then just pay attention to my family, right? I had a baby at the time. My wife was in the States.
si Jacob to.
Jacob, yeah.
Pero na-stress ka, pare? Sa issue.
Siguro mga
Sino naman, kahit sinong player yung tanong mo niyan, grabe yung magiging
Siguro mga-
bread and butter natin.
after nangyari yung game na yan, I was still in the Philippines mga 2 weeks lang. So after umalis ako, I went to the States. Parang wala na, okay lang. Okay na.
Lipas na rin.
Yeah.
Lipas na.
Pero pag nag-draft ako ni Tim Cone, number 1, tinanong ko sa kanya eh, na you heard the rumors, ganun. Tapos sabi niya, but I don't pay attention to that kasi before naging player niya si Johnny Abrientos. So daming din rumors sa kanya. Daming din issues sa kanya. Pero at the end of the day, sabi niya, hindi siya naniniwala.
This is the first time I think anyone has ever heard your side. Because it's always like, you know, the other stuff. So if you had one thing to say to those people accusing you, what would it be?
Cool cat. I don't know. Wala
Kasi
lang.
syempre, it's like it kind of ruins your reputation, right? People get like a bad.
But from the feedback and the interactions that I get with the LaSalle community now,
Yeah.
like they show so much love to me, right? Like they're so proud they're so happy that I was convinced Jacob to come back home to LaSalle and play for them, even though everything that happened. So they showered me with praise and love since then. So I've never heard anybody talk about, you know, what happened back in the day. Even till now, I've never heard anyone talk about that.
So it's like water under the bridge already.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing about it, Sep, Artadi, Paul, Jay, nung time na yan, wala pang social media. Wala pa social media. Ibig sabihin, it was broadcast in the news, everywhere. Kasi ako, nung pagpasok ko ng Lasal, yun din, nung pumasok. So lahat ng mga sumunod, kaya ito yung perfect time for you to, of course, labas mo rin yung yung sentiment mo kasi naiintindihan kita as a basketball player kasi ako to be honest napagbintangan din ako. Napagbintangan din ako. I'm not of course not, my friend. Because money is just a piece of paper.
Wow.
Your loyalty and happiness is the everything. Do you agree?
Did you heard, ba?
Okay, so there you go mga ka-amazing. Dito lang sa PBA Moro Club, naglabas ng sentiment ng isang Mike Cortez. And sa mga nandiya-judge po, do not judge the book by its cover.
Cover the book.
Cover the book.
Judge him in his face. Right? Alright, so
You are
amazing! Oh, yan ang ambush interview, mga amazing. Walang kawala.
Ang dami yung tanong isang lang tanong gusto.
Dapat na sinama si Jacob.
PBA players of all time. Who would be your point guard?
Who would be my point guard?
Yeah, your top five.
Johnny, hindi niya kasi napanood yung mga before.
Oo, di eh.
So, starting
Sa idea mo lang, there's a lot of point guard. Who's your greatest point guard of all time sa PBA?
Let's start with year 2000 na lang. Kasi mahirap ito yung Mike, hindi niya alam yung mga 90s.
Eto.
Greatest point guard mo?
Oo.
Porque nandito lang siya.
Hindi eh. Sino pa ba?
Hindi kasi niya kaya si Johnny A. Hindi niya naabutan.
Inabot ko yung...
Hindi kasi sabi ko start from year 2000.
Okay, point guard mo, JJ. Mag-grade ka nga ng greatest first five mo. JJ Helterbrand, point guard?
Okay, sige.
Ikaw daw, ano ba?
Junmar.
Hindi, number 2 muna pa.
Shooting guard.
Joseph yo. Dito si Joseph eh. Kailangan sabihin si Joseph. Totoo naman eh. Ba't ayaw mo?
Pwede
Oh, di ba? Parang nakita mo yung mga times niya sa ano?
ISO, pwede.
Di ba?
Ninja.
Air 21 days, di ba? Air 21 tsaka yung ano, Hinebra, di ba?
Okay, so...
Di marunong lang yung coach nun eh. Di marunong ginamit eh.
At least unique sa'yo, Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo.
Ako next.
Wingman.
Gusto ko
Wingman.
top 5 greatest.
Number 4? 3? 3 or 4?
3.
3. Hindi, si Ryan Aranya.
Hindi na ako naniniwala doon.
Bakit?
Bakit? Gago una, JJ, di ba? Two guard. Dito to. Ako dito to.
Tagalin mo doon siya. Tagalin mo
Tapos yung 4 niya, Rico Maro.
Oh, Rico Mayofer.
Puro PBA Moto Club lang yun eh. Yung greatest nga. Greatest na eh.
Hirap eh. Kailangan talaga isipin eh.
Hindi isipin mo ka, naghihintay kami oh. Go.
Greatest two guards, sige.
The choices are
Mark Kagiwa sa akin. Mark Kagiwa.
Point at dos mo.
Dos, Mark.
So
Si Mark.
Fast and the Furious ka, point guard,
Oo.
and dos.
Oo.
Ano pa? Uy, Fast and the Furious yung 1 and 2 niya. 1-2 punch niya.
Totoo naman eh, pare. Sino pa ba?
Tinatanggal mo kasi yung sarili. Sa'yo ako, ninja ako. Only a ninja. Tres, wingman.
Yan, madami yan.
Dami nun.
Sino excited mo?
Baka si Willie.
Hindi.
Miller.
Dos si Willie.
Di pwedeng wing? Di pwede sa 3?
Team mo naman yun. Ito.
Diba?
Ikaw nga mag-create. Ibig
Danny
sabihin,
Siegel.
judge ka ng mga tao kung sa creation mo.
Danny S.
Hirap. Sige, Sigel, pwede.
Tres mo, Danny Siegel.
Danny Sigel. Oo.
Okay, pwede na Ronnie Del.
Oo.
Tres, Siegel. Ang 4 mo. Ganun ka hirap na hirap. Ang
Oo.
daming player na available.
Ang daming player dinananan ko eh.
Oh.
Diba?
Sino yung 4 mo? 4.
Hirap. Gusto ko sabihin si Ali Pick, pero 5 yun eh, di ba?
Pwede rin 4.
Why not?
Oh, Ali Pick.
Ali Pick ang
Sige.
4 mo.
Oo.
5.
Tapos ang 5 mo.
Junmar, syempre.
Oh, ito. O, ikaw na. Dahil sinabi mo, wala ka pang
Hindi naalala ko.
top 5. Baka mo. Tanong mo.
Joseph Yost, top 5 greatest PBA players of all time.
Johnny A. For me, Johnny A. Sorry
Ay, hindi ka mapayag.
Hindi ako rin John A din ako eh.
Pare, Johnny A ako.
Johnny A.
Johnny A. Pero kung starting 2000, pataas, kasi nakita ko si Johnny noong 90s, di ba? Pero tama si Mike, pag 2000 pataas, for me, JJ.
Pero greatest na nga eh.
Yun nga.
Johnny A.
Pero pag all time, Johnny A.
Okay.
Tapos two guard, idol ko kasi siya, Vergel Meneses. So Vergel Meneses ako.
Hero
That's
Voyager.
my idol.
Ano?
Tapos 3, maybe Danny Siegel.
Dennis.
Tapos 4, Randall De Ocampo for me. Ay, no, sorry. Di pala, Alvin Patrimonia.
Oh.
Kasi, Alvin Patrimonia. Hindi niya naabutan eh. Tapos 5, si 5.
Sinong 5?
Ano lang naman yan, Junmar Asi.
Hindi, Junmar. Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Junmar Layo.
Junmar
Layo.
DJ File.
EJ, oh, legend din yan.
Marlo Aquino. Marlo.
O sino nga ang 5 mo?
Si Sanitos.
Hindi. Junmar pa rin.
Junmar
So
pa.
yun Johnny A, Vergel Meneses, Siegel, Alvin Patrimonio, tsaka Junmar pa
Lakas ang lineup na yan.
Oh, pare yun.
Alright.
May pahabol ka pa dito?
Mamaya ulit sa airport.
I rated a 5 out of 5. You know, first time being with the PBA Motor Club, first time in Singapore, and witnessing the love from the Filipino community. You know, it was very nice. We're very happy that we were able to do that. We're very happy that successful ba? Yeah, and looking to to run it back again, maybe.
What was your favorite part about the whole trip?
So you're at the game, of course. But besides that, you know, just hanging out with you guys. You know.
And he got the MVP. So
Oh yeah, that too. But you know, hanging around my PBA idols, that's the craziest part about it.
and now you're an idol yourself. So Jacob, what's your final message to the younger generation that looks up to you and want to make it to college or pros or
It's to what my dad always tells me: hard work pays off. You know, no matter what anyone else says, just keep working on whatever you want to do, whatever you're good at, and whatever you want to end up doing is to keep working on that.
Last question, one-on-one. Mike Cortez, Jacob Cortez, prime to prime, 10 points. Who's gonna win? What's the score?
The score is, what is it? Winner's ball, loser's ball.
Make it, take it.
I'm just gonna make it a close game, 10-9.
Who wins?
Me.
Amazing.
Jacob Cortez, Mark Cortez, race to 10, make a ticket, 1-on-1, who wins?
I win.
What's the score?
10-0. I taught him everything he knows, man. I know all his moves.
All right.
Inspiration for the young
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, only at PBA Motor Club.
What advice did you give Jacob to get to where he is, and maybe share it with the younger generation so that they can also get to where they want to be as far as basketball wise?
Keep your head down, keep working, stay away from the comments, do what you love doing, and trust the process.
There you have it, Mark. Amazing. It was an honor playing with the father and son duo, the LeBron James and Bronny of the Philippines, and me as a fellow basketball, my teammate before. I'm so proud just to see him and his son go out there and just be like LeBron James and Bronny, man. That's like a dream for every father, and they've done it. So more power to them, and the kid has a bright future, and God bless him and his basketball journey. So, Mark, amazing. See you guys soon. Stay amazing. All right. Peace.
All right. Let's get out of here.